If you want to save an Excel document to OneDrive, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're working on a brand new workbook or an existing file, saving to OneDrive makes it easy to access your document from anywhere. Keep it backed up online and work across multiple devices without worrying about losing your progress. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, go ahead and open the workbook you want to save, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. This part is important because the file you have open is the one that will be uploaded to OneDrive. Now, look to the top left corner of Excel and click on File. This opens the Backstage menu, where you can find all the main saving and sharing options. From there, click Save As. Save As is the option you want when you're choosing a new location, especially if you want to move your document from your local computer to OneDrive. Next, you'll see a list of places where you can save your file. Select OneDrive from the available options. If you're not already signed in, Excel may ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. Just enter your email and password and complete the sign-in process so Excel can connect to your OneDrive account. After that, choose the OneDrive folder where you want to save the file. You may see your main OneDrive storage or specific folders that you've created for work, school, or personal files. Pick the location that makes the most sense for your document so it's easy to find later. Once you've selected the folder, enter a file name for your document. Make sure the name is clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to save multiple spreadsheets to OneDrive. A good file name can save you time later when you're searching for it online or on another device. Now all that's left to do is click Save. Excel will upload the workbook to OneDrive, and once the process is finished, your document will be stored in the cloud. That means you can access it from other devices, share it more easily, and keep it safely backed up. And that's it. Your Excel document is now saved to OneDrive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.